Hi, yesterday I posted one video of the TikTok cashbot from Wesley Virgin on two of my TikTok accounts, and I just want to show you the results. So it's been 24 hours now, and this is it. So this is one of the videos that you can see here on the screen. As you can see, it's got 20 views. I posted this one a few hours ago, like 3 hours ago or something, not even 2 hours ago. It's got way more views. This one I posted it just a few hours maybe before this one. Again, way more views. So that's for this account. Now I'm gonna go to my other TikTok account and show you the video that I posted as well so you can see. Okay, so this is my second account, and this was the video from the TikTok cashbots that I took. I used my own hashtags, and I just got 40 views. Just got 40 views on that one. It's been 24 hours as well. This one I posted before on the same day. Got more views, and this one I posted again 2 hours ago or something like that, and I got way more views. So I mean, to me it looks like if you post your own content you will get more views. If you use the right hashtags you'll get more views. If it's original and it's your own content that nobody can copy, obviously, because it's you on the videos, or it's a video you took yourself. So I don't know. I mean, what I think really, honestly, I don't think posting the same videos. I do not think posting the same videos. I mean, you only have so many videos in the software, and I'm gonna pull it up to show you. So here it is again, and you just have 19 videos available in this campaign. Pending videos 100 coming soon. But what I'm saying is that you have just so many videos, and like if everybody like buying this system is gonna post the very same videos, I mean just 19 videos for this campaign. It's the motivational campaign. I think the algorithm is gonna pick that up. Again, I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert. I don't know anything about the TikTok algorithm, but I do know that if you do post videos that are not original, you will get less views. And if everybody's posting the same video, it's not original anymore. So I don't know. My opinion. I don't know. I just tried it for one day, so it's hard to judge. But I wanted to show you my result after 24 hours, so you know exactly what happened to me. My results might be different to somebody else's results, so that's for me. You can see on this account I've got like quite a few followers, and I still didn't get more than 40 views for this video, which is a shame. I thought I would get at least 500 views, but not even. So that account I have that many followers. The other account I think I have 7,800 followers. Let's go back. Okay, so on this account I've got 7,900 followers, and I just received 20 views for this video. So maybe I didn't take the right videos. Maybe I should have chosen some other ones. Maybe I should have tried their hashtags, and actually that's what I'm gonna do. I will try with other videos and use their hashtags and see if this makes a difference. So I will use another of my accounts and try another video, use another hashtag, and see what happens. Maybe I'll get more views, so let's see what hashtags we can use, because I remember we couldn't use a lot of hashtags, but if I remember, we could use this one. Yeah, okay. So what I'll do, we'll use this hashtag, and I'll pick a video. So I will keep those, copy, and I'll pick a video again. Let's see which one we're gonna use. New campaign. No, it's here. I want to go to the same campaign. We'll pick another video. Let's say, okay, I'll try this one. I'll download this one, post it in another of my accounts, and I'll check back again tomorrow and see if that made a difference. And I'll let you guys know if there's any difference. But again, it's really up to you guys. Maybe like I didn't pick the right campaign. Maybe I should have picked another one. Maybe there's something wrong that I did. I can't really like judge perfectly, but I can just give you my results after 24 hours of posting one of the videos in some of my accounts that are doing quite well on TikTok, and I didn't get the views I wanted to get. So I'll try on another of my accounts, use their hashtags, and see if that makes a difference. Honestly, it's only $19. It's not that expensive. So if you want to try it out, you can do so and see if that works for you. I don't know if I will keep it, honestly. I think I might maybe request a refund, because I feel like I can do better on my own. As you can see, like just a random video that I posted this morning, and it got like way more views. So I feel like I can do better with my own videos, and I'm okay showing my face, but I guess this is good if some people don't want to show their faces. It's all done for you. The videos are ready to just upload. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep it, and up to you guys. But yeah, that's all. I just wanted to give you my quick update on the videos I posted yesterday. I hope this was helpful, and please give me some thumbs up if you liked the video or if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.